someone who could contribute something, we should focus more on pushing English language on different countries, especially those Japan, in India, where English language is not really being studied. So, so that we could have something in common. And for, of course, if that is a big project, but we can also use translator.
Translator, yeah.
Yeah, so social media, and of course the interpreter, right? Those people who have they are bilingual, or yeah, people with having so much knowledge about communication and language. So that's it for that.
Wow. That's so, thank you for the wonderful,
Yeah. Well,
so, partner, thank you so much for sharing that thoughts. For sure, our
Yeah.
viewers will, have lots of ideas from you that they get.
yes, of course. Because language. I mean, communication is very important, and you guys, all of us, deserve
Yes.
on how to have an idea and communicating to someone. It is very important, guys. So that's it for this episode, guys. So, partner.
Thank you. Thank you so much for listening and viewing our
Yes, our podcast.
Yes.
So, see you everyone on our next episode. And this is Casimari Pinsurga.
and Mary Jo Zalweta.
And this is the Talk Podcast.
Pila kami na sir. Sobra pa. Hindi namin maganda.
Cut lang.
Cut lang to.
Pila na yung mga minutes day.
Okay.
Okay na lang kung ano yung log-luag. Ay, log-luag.
Okay, ang gaghan kayo.
4. Pero na may mga... 4? Pero na may mga ano-ano.
4 plus 3 plus 1. 8.
May iba.
Ang gulat.
Last na pa yung intro.
So, muna po. Go, guys.
I-click lang natin yung red button.
Alin na diri kaning kuan. Tapos sa mo gamit ang.
Pikit.
Oh. Kani ka TMG mo ta kay Y ay kaning kuan. White lang ba? May na ni.
Biasa sud live eh.
Kaya na